Let's see. Guide me. Oh, remember we took the picture there? Is it? Oh, it's cool. You heard him?
No.
Hold on.
Oh, koi fish. I think they're bigger than over there, huh? Is it because they have a bigger area?
I think so.
No, your school's pretty big too, though.
Well, there were some big ones, but look, it's
Oh, it's
there's
because
a few of them.
they go all the way over there, huh?
There's also a few of them. There's less here.
You're not?
No. Now I am.
Oh, Angie. Little voodoo.
I'm trying to get the area. Come on, babe. Walk, 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 walk. You do?
Wait, you saying if I sneak in there, you think they check if people stay there? No?